In this box right here, I've got the Secura 5-liter air fryer. On the box it says 1700 watt, fast, healthy, delicious cooking, large size, 5-liter, 5.3 quart, detachable metal basket, great for family meals. Cooks at 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And it comes with a 60-minute timer and auto shut-off. Also comes with this manual that has recipes for frying, grilling, baking. Whatever you can use the thing for, you'll find recipes in here. This thing is kind of a beast. Look at the size of it. It's good looking. It's going to look good on your countertop in your kitchen. It comes with this rack that you can use internally. So included are these 4 skewers, just in case you need to skewer something. It's got this little tab here, and when you move the tab, there's a button. You push the button, and it comes apart for easy cleaning. Really intelligently designed. Chicken spring rolls. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use that rack that I showed you a minute ago. We're gonna take these 5 spring rolls and stick them on top of the rack. You can more or less see what I'm doing there. Golden brown, looking absolutely fantastic. Very, very hot. Always be careful when you're taking the cooked food out of your air fryer. Coconut sriracha, my favorite. Hot, hot, hot. These things came out absolutely beautiful. I am very happy that I bought this Secura air fryer. I know that I am going to enjoy it, and I think that if you get it, you're going to enjoy it too. So thanks for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment. Have a good day, have a good week, have a good year, have a good life. I'm going to have some good chicken spring rolls.